Oh, Emma, you're awake already. Wow, I almost overslept. My alarm was snoozed twice. Good morning, friend. Sit down, please. I just brewed fresh coffee. The pot's still warm.
Thanks, Lily. It smells incredible, like dark roasted beans with a hint of caramel. That strong aroma really wakes me up. I needed this after dragging myself out of bed.
I know that feeling. Yesterday morning, you seemed extra tired when we texted. So tell me, what did you actually do after your alarm went off?
Yesterday? Well, it was simple but slow. I woke up at 7 sharp. Sunlight was streaming through my curtains, painting stripes on the floor.
At 7? That's not late for most people.
Maybe not, but I felt so sleepy, like my bones were filled with sand. I'd stayed up late reading a novel. Oh, you know that heavy, dreamless sleep?
Absolutely. My worst mornings start like that. So, what pulled you out of bed?
First, I forced myself up. My feet hit the cool wooden floor, and I shuffled to the bathroom. The mirror showed puffy eyes. I splashed cold water on my face. Then I brushed my teeth slowly, minty foam clearing the fog. Finally, a hot shower, steam rising, water pounding my shoulders. It felt like melting ice.
Nice. That sounds like a perfect restart. I usually wake at 6. My little sun-shaped alarm clock rings and I leap up. No snoozing.
6? So early. How?
I brush my teeth first, Colgate's Winter Mint, then wash my face with rosewater cleanser. It leaves my skin tingling and fresh. After that, I sip warm lemon water while watching sparrows outside my window. Nature's alarm clock.
After my shower, I headed to the kitchen. Breakfast time. I toasted whole grain bread until it was crispy golden. Boiled an egg for exactly 7 minutes. Runny yolk is key. And gulped black coffee, no sugar. That bitter kick jolts my brain awake.
Black coffee? So strong. I prefer mine with oat milk, but your routine sounds efficient. I usually eat cereal, honey nut clusters with cold milk, crunchy, sweet, and quick, or sometimes Greek yogurt with berries, eaten slowly with a wooden spoon. Cold and soft, like eating clouds.
Yogurt's lovely too. So yesterday my list was clear. Brush teeth, wash face, shower, toast, egg, coffee. Step by step.
Good list. Mine's similar but with twists. I add stretching while the kettle boils. We're alike in rhythm yet different in details, exactly like 2 songs in the same key.
True. But yesterday I really wanted to stay buried under blankets. I whispered to myself, "Come on, Emma, get up now. You'll miss the sunrise."
Great motivation. Breakfast is sacred. Skipping it makes my afternoon crash. When I rise early, I feel strong, like a tree rooted deep.
I feel sleepy until that shower. Then, bam! I'm alive. Water's magic, isn't it? And coffee. Your brew today has notes of chocolate. Where'd you get these beans?
Local roaster downtown. Now, clothes. Too many choices today? I saw you staring at your closet earlier.
Yes. My mind's blank. Maybe this soft blue shirt? It matches my eyes, I think. And these worn-in jeans, comfortable as old friends.
Great choice. Simple but elegant. Yesterday, you wore that white linen dress, light as a breeze. You looked so fresh, like a daisy in a field.
Thanks. What about you? Wow, that color sings. Sunshine captured in fabric.
I bought it last week. Today's warm, so no sweater. Yesterday's chill had me bundled in wool. I remember shivering while we waited for the bus.
Clothes ready. Now, the daily checklist. Phone, wallet, keys. Yesterday, I forgot my keys and had to wait outside your apartment for 20 minutes. Embarrassing.
I remember your frantic call. Today, we double-check. Phone charged, wallet slim, keys jingling. Bags packed with notebook, water bottle, and this lifesaver. No repeats.
Ah, feels good. I arch my back slowly, like a cat. My spine cracks gently. Relief floods in. Yesterday, I skipped this. My shoulders ached by noon.
Stretching's non-negotiable. Just 1 minute melts tension. Water and movement, body's best friends.
Look, the sun's painting the street gold. Air's crisp with dew. I'll walk slowly today. Yesterday, I raced like a tornado, heart pounding.
No rush now, enjoy the quiet. Those maple trees are budding tiny green stars, a perfect start.
When I sat by my window yesterday, sipping chamomile tea, the rain tapped a rhythm on the glass. I watched an old man walk his terrier. Peaceful.
Sounds like a painted moment. Calm before the storm of work. I read a poetry book then, Mary Oliver's words about wild geese. Just 10 minutes, but it centered me.
I flipped through a paper newspaper. Ink on fingers, real pages. Nice, but your e-reader's lighter. Books quiet the noise in my head.
Now, music. This song, Ludovico Einaudi's Nuvole Bianche, unwinds my thoughts. Yesterday's playlist was upbeat pop for cleaning, energy for chores.
Fast beats suit urgency. But today's calm? Perfect for focus. Screen open, charger plugged. Ready.
Yesterday you journaled in that leather notebook, right? About your day's small joys.
Like a diary. Helps me remember how coffee steam curls or how my neighbor's roses bloomed. Gratitude anchors me.
I make my bed first thing, it sets the tone. Smooth the sheet, fold the blanket neatly. A clean bed makes the room breathe. Yesterday I forgot. It felt chaotic all day.
I learned that too. A made bed is a silent promise to yourself. Done now, let's step outside. Fresh air awaits.
Yes, this morning feels full but gentle. We ate well, dressed thoughtfully, moved our bodies, and shared quiet moments.
Yesterday was a rush, but today, slow and sweet. Thank you for this rhythm, Lily.
Always happy to share mornings with you. Now let's begin the day properly. Ready?
Ready.
On our walk, I saw Mrs. Chen watering her balcony plants. Her geraniums are finally blooming red. She waved and offered me a sprig of mint for tea. Small kindnesses matter.
I passed the bakery on Elm Street. The owner, Ben, had just pulled out sourdough loaves. He let me smell the crust, warm yeast and wheat. Reminded me of my grandmother's kitchen.
Did you try the new bus route? The 8 a.m. express avoids downtown traffic now.
Not yet. I walked the river path instead. Ducks were gliding near the reeds. One had a broken wing but still paddled hard. Made me think about resilience.
I packed extra snacks today, almonds and dried apricots. Office meetings run late sometimes. Hunger makes me irritable.
Smart. I added protein bars to my bag. Last Tuesday, we had back-to-back calls until 2 p.m. My stomach growled so loud during the client call.
Oh, I almost forgot. Your charger. Plug it in now before we leave. My laptop died at 11 a.m. yesterday. Had to borrow Mark's during the presentation.
Done. Green light means it's charging. Your notebook looks new. Leather cover?
Yes, I refill the pages when full. This one has coffee stains from Monday's spill. Proof I'm human. What's in your water bottle?
Cucumber slices and lemon. Stays cold for hours. Keeps me off soda. I used to drink 3 cans daily. Bad habit broken last year.
Small victories. Did you check the weather app? Sunny until 3 p.m., then light showers. I packed a foldable umbrella just in case.
I trust your forecast. My app glitched yesterday. Said snow in July. Technology fails us sometimes. Simple paper notes work better for tasks.
True, I write to-do lists on recycled paper. Tearing off completed items feels satisfying. Physical proof of progress.
Yesterday's list had 7 items, only finished 4. The rest spilled to today. Priorities shift, I suppose.
That's life. We adjust. Like when my alarm failed last month, I woke to sunlight and birdsong instead. Woke naturally, no panic.
I'd love that. No beeping, no rushing, just waking when my body's ready. Though deadlines don't care about body clocks.
Balance is key, hence the slow walks, the 10-minute reads, anchors in the chaos. Even Mondays need beauty.
Like this coffee, or the duck on the river, or Mrs. Chen's mint. Tiny anchors.
Exactly. Ready to head out? The bus comes in 8 minutes.
Lead the way. Keys in pocket, charger in bag, heart calm. Today feels manageable.
As always, Emma, small steps build strong days. Thank you for walking this path with me.
Always. Same time tomorrow?
Same time. Thank you for joining us, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.